Hello everybody, I'm Andrew Johnson. I own the YouTube channel 2020, which refers to basically hindsight is 2020. Basically our history kind of equals our knowledge, and my goal through this channel is to really educate, inform, and teach those who are interested in whether it be projects or in general things that have come up in my life that I'd love to pass along to people and make it worthwhile. I know that it's great to pay it forward. Hopefully this site will benefit you in many ways as I build it out, as I record different things that I do on my journey through this life, and looking forward to basically providing the insight, education, and hopefully some savings along the way, as well as I'm pretty big on the safety advocate side of life as well. I really like for things to go well and kind of think ahead and plan ahead so you get it done right the first time, and just saves a lot of headache and a lot of heartache. But to give you a little background on myself, I'm originally from Charlotte, North Carolina. I've been in North Carolina my entire life. I'll be 60 years old this year. I've had a very, very diverse background. I started very early in life in the car detail business in Charlotte, North Carolina. I was the only mobile car detail business back in the mid 80s, which is interesting. I started that business in 1985, ran it for about 5 years, and had an absolute ball with it. I had some great customers, did very well at a very early age, was living at home, hardly any expenses, but it was a great introduction into entrepreneurship. And I've been an entrepreneur for the last 20 years in my own property management type businesses, real estate related. Prior to that, I was actually a fiber implementation specialist with Bell South, at the top 1% of that company, handling their largest accounts for Wachovia Bank, Bank of America, installing the Microsoft campus in Charlotte and things to that effect. I handled a lot of their accounts in the Southeast. It was absolutely fantastic. That was probably the best career I've ever had. Also had an experience in the hazardous ER type business. I worked for a company out of Charlotte, North Carolina called HEPACO, Horton Environmental Products Abatement Company. I knew Ron Horton Sr. Had a great experience there, so I've got what's called HAZWOPER training, hazardous work operations training, and did some very large projects for Mr. Horton through a few years that I worked with him, and can bring that knowledge to the table as well. I'm also a licensed general contractor with a commercial building certificate. Did some projects in the last 20, 25 years that have been really fantastic. So just wanted to, aggregate my knowledge, bring it to the table for you. And hopefully through some smaller projects that I'm involved with, or questions that I get asked online, which I would love to hear about anything that you guys might have related to, whether it be project management. I've got about 4,000 hours of that with my Bell South time and my time with HEPACO. And anything related to construction, or anything related to some of the projects and things that you'll see online that I'll actually provide to you. And some will be a lot of fun. Some will be quite interesting. And like I say, I'm looking forward to keeping you guys safe, educating you along the way, hopefully saving you a few bucks as well on a DIY type situation, doing it yourself. And really, I hope you enjoy the channel. Give me some feedback. Like, subscribe, follow us, share the information when it's viable to you think those around you, and we really appreciate it. We'll see you on the other side, as they say, and we look forward to many videos coming up here in the near future, and hearing your feedback and really providing you with some quality value content. So you guys take care, enjoy, be safe, and stay in touch.